Hello, today we will guide you through how to record a video clip in Slack. In this walkthrough, we'll start inside Slack, open the conversation where you want to share a clip, and show you three simple options: recording with your camera, uploading a video you already have, or sharing your screen. Along the way, we'll point out where to click and what to expect, so nothing feels confusing. If you're using Slack in a browser, you may see prompts asking for camera or microphone access. Go ahead and allow them so recording works smoothly. Begin by opening Slack on your desktop or in your browser. In the left sidebar, pick the direct message or channel where the clip belongs. This is your conversation list. Clicking a name or channel brings its message view to the center. It helps to confirm you're in the right place before you record, especially if you're working across multiple workspaces or projects. Once you're in the correct thread, move down to the message box at the bottom. In the message box, look for the option to record a video clip. Depending on your view, it may appear as a small camera icon or a clearly labeled Record Video Clip button near the Composer tools. Click it to open the recording panel. If you're on a work device, your organization settings might limit video tools. If the button is missing, try expanding the window or clicking the plus icon to reveal more options. If your computer has a camera and microphone, click Record to start capturing your message. Position yourself in good light, glance at the camera, and speak clearly. Many browsers provide a brief countdown before recording begins. Keep your message concise and on topic, and when you're finished, stop the recording. If your device doesn't have a camera, you can continue using one of the other options instead. If you already have a clip you want to share, choose Upload Video to select a file from your computer. Pick the correct file, confirm, and let Slack upload it. Larger files can take longer, so stay on the page until the upload completes. A short, well-named clip makes it easier for teammates to understand context quickly. You can also share your screen instead of your camera. Select Share Screen, choose the specific window, tab, or your entire desktop, and confirm. Before sharing, close any sensitive windows and silence notifications to avoid distractions. Once you're sharing, walk through exactly what you want viewers to see, then stop sharing when you're done. That's the workflow. Open your conversation, pick Record, upload, or share screen, and you're set. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing in Slack.